BlackSky Technology, a provider of real-time space-based intelligence, announced a new contract with Thales Alenia Space to deliver advanced Earth observation satellites and services to the Ministry of Defense of Indonesia. The deal, valued at around $50 million, includes Gen 3 satellites, ground infrastructure, and operational support to bolster Indonesia's defense capabilities. The European Space Agency officially launched its Maritime Sustainability Task Force in Marseille. Initiated by ESA's Business Applications and Space Solutions program, the new task force will see ESA working together with a number of major players in the sector, including shipping companies, maritime authorities, classification societies, and industry associations. Together, they will work to leverage space solutions to reduce the environmental impact of the maritime sector. TIER and Dott have announced that they will merge to form Europe's largest micromobility operator. The new joint entity will continue to operate under the two companies' separate brands and will provide both cities and riders with micromobility rental services across the continent. The transaction is being backed by several existing shareholders, including Astari, M&G, Process Ventures, Novator, and White Star Capital. NASA is using a navigation receiver from Beyond Gravity, a space supplier, for a new climate protection satellite that was launched into space on February the 6th of this year. NASA's Space Climate Mission uses satellite technology to monitor changes in global marine biology, aerosols, and clouds. The navigation receiver will determine the satellite's position in space, making the climate data sent to Earth more precise. A memorandum of understanding was signed between Survey of India and Geological Survey India to jointly collaborate on data sharing, research and development, and capacity in areas of mineral exploration. Starship Technologies has raised $90 million in this year with funding co-led by Plural and Iconical, the tech firm which has completed over 6 million deliveries using its autonomous robots, will use the funding to expand operations. The company has deployed its self-delivering robots across various college campuses in the US and is currently in 80 locations around the world, including the UK, Germany, Denmark, Estonia, and Finland. The Greek Ministry of Digital Governance has announced a national Microsatellite program which aims to strengthen the country's off-planet capabilities in low Earth orbit. The ministry has put forth an open competition on the international market for the development of the miniaturized satellite known as CubeSats with a budget of €60 million from a total of €130 million. The plan is set to be materialized via the European Space Agency and is funded by the National Recovery and Resilience Plan Greece 2.0. Synspective, a SAR satellite data and analytics solution provider, entered into an agreement with the National Remote Sensing Department of the Ministry of Natural Resources and Environment of Vietnam and Fujitsu, Vietnam. This collaboration aims to advance the application of satellite remote sensing technology in monitoring natural resources and the environment, preventing natural disasters, and fostering economic development in Vietnam.